BATJAC J.W. I'm out here with a Colt Diamondback 38 caliber revolver, 4-inch barrel, just like the one used in the movie Brannigan with my favorite star, John Wayne. I got some 38 special loaded up there, and I got my favorite color in the target down there. He's a desert man, and so let's try to put some gray on him. Here we go. Haven't shot this gun for a while, so let's hope I can still shoot it. So we're aiming kind of. Let's go ahead and see if we can put one on his head, on his neck rather. There. Oh, this one. Okay, I'm trying to aim for his head. Might be skipping him right over him. That's it. That's all 6 shots. Gonna go ahead and try this thing double action. Here you can get a good look at the cylinder here. Big little 38 rounds going in there. Not quite big, not like the 44. These are just some of my hand loads, so. Always check that cylinder. You know, you slap the cylinder shut. You want to lock it in place before you start pulling the trigger. All right, let's go ahead and try this thing double action. Center mass. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. I tell you, Colts, they run like a clock almost. They really are nice. The Diamondback does not quite have the action as a Python, but it does have a pretty slick action. The thing I liked about the Diamondback is it's like a mini Python. So if you're a fan of the Python, the Diamondback might be something you might want to check into because it's just like a mini Python. I'm gonna go ahead and try right-handed. What the heck? So go ahead and I'm normally a lefty, so but let's go ahead and try this right. Gotta get used to shooting that way. Let's go ahead and shoot 6 more that way. Go ahead and load it up again here. Had a little freeze up there. Not sure if it was just me or what was going on. Sometimes you can use a speed loader and everything, but we're not really going for speed here. We're just kind of roughing it out of the pocket. A couple of those went off before I wanted them to here. Yeah. Not too good right-handed. Might have to practice that a little bit more. Load up 6 more here. Try some more here. Try it single action. It's not too bad. Try to keep my brass here. Go ahead and try a couple more here on the on that plate on right-handed. Not quite as good and fast right as I am my dominant hand. It's to be expected, but getting better. Not too bad. Go ahead and load it up again. Oops, dropped one. If you want to go ahead and look at the side of this gun, it's a beautiful gun, and definitely we're filming this in HD, so gold Colt medallion there stamped in, the original grips, nice dark grips, very much like the one that he had in the movie. There's the Diamondback right there on the barrel. Really nice gun. Let's go ahead and try right again here. Not too bad, but we'll go ahead and we've been playing around, so go ahead and show the look at the gun here again. Let you Alright, not playing around, BATJAC. Let's get to business. Let's get to shooting here. Not getting shooting too fast, but we're definitely not going to quit on that list there. We go get some more bullets here. If you want to follow me to the truck. Yeah, we got some more bullets. Right out the whole can of ammo. Because we knew we were breaking this Colt out, and if we're going to shoot it and dirty it, might as well shoot it all that we want to and get it out of our system. Yeah, guess you just want to shoot fast. I see a leftover water bottle laying there. See if I can get it. Oh, rocked him a little bit. Oh. Not gonna really get him. I think I'm skipping one right over. Alright, so classic wheel gun. Let's see just how fast we can punch these things right on that steel with maintaining accuracy. Missed a couple there. So, try it again. That's not bad. So, well, we definitely wore it out pretty good today. That's the Colt Diamondback 38 Special. Yeah, you get a good nice look at it. Beautiful gun. All dirty. Hands getting dirty from the hand loads and any kind of, so yeah. Wood and steel, man. I tell you, this is it. All original. Got the original grips on it. 4-inch barrel. Beautiful ribs on it. All nice and dirty. But real nice. Thanks for watching BATJAC J.W. We're live here at the range, live fire segment, banging some steel. The range is a little worse for wear, it's a little overgrown, but I think we can splatter some bullets around and knock it down. What do you think? So come and join us next time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the channel if you're new to the channel. So there we go. Nice classic Colt 38 caliber Diamondback revolver, like the one in the movie Brannigan with John Wayne. Thanks for watching.